Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show how to cancel subscription in QuillBot 2026U first. Log into your QuillBot account using your web browser and make sure you're signed in to the correct account that has the premium subscription. Once you're inside, allow the page to load fully so all settings appear properly. Next, go to the top right corner and click on your profile icon. From the menu, select Account Details, which will take you to your account and subscription settings. Inside the Account Details section, look for your plan. This is where you can view all information about your current subscription, including billing cycle and plan type. Here you will also find the option to manage or cancel your subscription. Click on Cancel Subscription and follow the instructions shown on screen. You may be asked to confirm your decision, and it's important to review any details about when your cancellation will take effect, usually at the end of your current billing period. After confirming, you should see a success message and may also receive an email confirming the cancellation. If you don't see the option, make sure you are logged into the correct account or try refreshing the page or using another browser. That's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.